If you're in the market for an E-Stim for your acupuncture practice, stay tuned. I'm going to go over my top 2 recommendations, why they're the best, and why I highly recommend you use these in your practice. What's up, everyone? I'm Dr. Dimitri Boulos. I'm a licensed acupuncturist, and I help acupuncturists that either just graduated or they're new practitioners or even seasoned practitioners take their practice to the next level. We go over in my online course a lot of how to assess and treat the most common musculoskeletal injuries that you're going to see in an acupuncture clinic, and how to use electrical acupuncture to help get patients feeling better quicker. And of course, if you're going to use electrical acupuncture, you need the best E-Stim units that are out there. And I'm going to share with you my top 2 recommendations. Okay, guys, first up, the EDO machine, or ES130. Most people call it EDO machine. I really like this because it's very small, it's practical. When you're using it in your clinic, you can just easily place it next to your patient without taking up too much space. It also has 3 outputs here, so you can connect quite a few needles with this little tiny machine. And the other great thing is that it uses 1 battery and it lasts a pretty long time. There are a couple of things I'm not crazy about. So number 1 is that the wires that this comes with, they are a little flimsy. So you might need to tape the ends of the wires so they don't get worn out quickly, and then you're gonna need to constantly replace those. The other thing I'm not too crazy about with this machine is that it does not have microcurrent, and microcurrent is a great frequency to use in order to help with soft tissue repair, reduce any kind of infection, and help reduce inflammation. So if you don't care really about that, you really wanna focus on millicurrent, this is a great machine to use. The only thing I would recommend is maybe just tape the wires at the ends so they don't break up really easily. Okay, guys, so up next we do have the Pantheon. Now, this is a little bit more expensive than the EDO machine that we mentioned earlier. However, it's an absolutely fantastic, good quality machine that's gonna last you for a really, really long time. A couple of great features about this machine. Number 1 is that it offers microcurrent and millicurrent. So when you're really targeting to help with reducing inflammation, to help with tissue repair, soft tissue repair, and to help with reducing any kind of infection, like skin conditions, for example, this is a great machine to use. The other thing that's really cool about this machine, other than the size, is that it has multiple frequencies that you can use. So you can use different frequencies at once. For example, you can start off with using 2 hertz, and then immediately the machine is going to switch to 30 hertz and then go back to 2 hertz. We call this alternating frequencies. They're great. These burst frequencies help increase the release of endogenous opioids and endorphins in the system, and it also doesn't allow the patient to actually get used to the stimulation. So absolutely fantastic machine to use. Check this out. I'll put some links in the description or in the comment sections below. I do not have any kind of affiliation with any of these machines or companies. I just want to share what I use, and a lot of people ask me what kind of machines they should purchase, so I figured I can make a video like this. So hope this helps.